Did you know magnesium is responsible for over 300 chemical reactions in the body? In fact, it's crucial for our bodies to even function. But here's the scary part. Most of us are not getting enough. This could lead to serious health issues like heart problems, difficulty sleeping, decreased focus and brain function, stress, anxiety, loss of bone density, lower exercise performance, decreased sex drive, depression, headaches, constipation, PMS, nausea, joint pain, and even unwanted weight gain. So, what's the solution? Introducing Livegood Ultra Magnesium Complex, scientifically formulated with the most bioavailable forms of magnesium that most of us are not getting in our daily diets. Our highest quality Ultra Magnesium Complex is designed to fill that nutritional gap and keep your body performing at its peak. And with double the forms of magnesium than best-selling Organifi, and at a highest quality level that can't even be beat by bio-optimizers, it's no surprise that Ultimate Magnesium Complex is being recognized as the most complete magnesium supplement on the market. And here's the best part. Livegood's direct-to-consumer model means you can enjoy the highest quality product on the market for less than half the price of competing products. All backed by Livegood's exclusive 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Order your Ultra Magnesium Complex today and unlock what's keeping you from maximizing your health. Livegood's Ultra Magnesium Complex is much more than just a supplement. It's a path to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait another minute to take charge of your health. Order yours today.